Hello, everybody. My name is Kamen Damyanov, and I'm a senior solution engineer working with Progress Sitefinity. Today, I'd like to discuss with you a challenge organization of all caliber face nowadays. It is the fact that today's business environment is totally unpredictable. Now, more than ever, it's critical to engage customers, partners, and employees and drive business through digital. All channels and languages, all touch points and surfaces are of utmost importance to the experience your audience has when interacting with your brand. At the same time, requirements are growing. Without continuously investing in improving the digital maturity, their productivity, and operational efficiency, most organizations will face difficulty facing the following challenges. First one was risking downtime. Digital experience infrastructure needs to be optimized so that it can scale to meet varying demands of all sorts and prevent downtime, which can severely impact business goals and prevent even future traffic. Otherwise, IT will need to dedicate time to support and optimize platform performance. At the same time, rising development needs. This leads to rising development needs. With the rapidly changing business environments and marketing goals, development teams will find it difficult to keep pace and constantly evolve business requirements that imply even more technical cost, resource constraints, and marketing campaign support without a flexible platform that enables cross-functional productivity. IT risks elevating costs and resources. In the same time, the expectations from the customers are rising at all time, across all channels, geographies, devices, and everyone wants, needs, and has their own preferences from a customer's perspective. Not meeting those expectations can result in missed opportunities in conversions and sales. Often complex systems and reliance on the IT department reduces marketing efficiency and also when trying to meet those expectations. And the final requirement and challenge is proving the return on investments people and businesses make in their marketing initiatives. Marketeers need to achieve growing business goals through campaign efforts without proper analytics and insight of their content, their assets, and campaign performance. This deploys a risk to prove business KPIs and conversion goals. Today's business is, as I mentioned, unpredictable and dramatically shifted customer behavior over the past year, including more business reliance on digital and the need to extend in-person processes online. Increased customer expectations are now for personalized, for multi-channel, for always-on experiences. Increased dependencies on the IT teams when their resource became more constrained and working from home. And all of these increases the need for an agile platform that can elaborate and meet all those challenges. Here comes Sitefinity, digital experience platform. It is designed to solve several key business challenges related to creating, deploying, and managing digital experiences. It enables organizations to empower marketeers to centrally manage personalized, multi-channel, multilingual, and multi-site with limited reliance on IT. This multi-site, multilingual, and omni-channel content management system enables marketeers to be self-sufficient and not rely on the IT department to control their content, to establish the workflows that are needed, and also to manage in a self-sufficient manner their digital presence. At the same time, it provides actionable analytics, audience discovery, tailored messaging, and digital marketing straight out of the box. Marketeers can leverage integrated, centrally managed analytics and audience discovery, provide personalized experiences for the audience, and also test out different strategies with A/B testing. The system also is cloud-enabled, extensible, and connected via the .NET platform, so it provides operational efficiency. It can be deployed as a platform as a service with Sitefinity Cloud. It's also self-hosted, so there are two flavors of it: the cloud version and self-hosted. With the self-hosted version being cloud agnostic, so it can go into any cloud without any limitations. Also delivers built-in content approval, enterprise authentication through Active Directory, granular user permissions, continuous delivery and deployment with synchronization capabilities between environments, and managing the entire digital experience from a single interface makes that a straightforward task. And the final challenge that Sitefinity is designed to solve is business to business and business to customer e-commerce with site search tailored to the needs of the business. And let's take a deeper look into all of these brackets. First one, manage the multi-site and multilingual content across digital channels. In a fast-paced business environment where many organizations are facing the threat of being disrupted, marketeers often face those challenges of coping with the day-to-day tasks, making complex interfaces, having lack of insight. So Sitefinity empowers marketeers to be independent and let the IT department focus on the important projects. So having an API first and a headless content management system capabilities helps creators manage and deliver information across multiple channels such as desktop, web applications, mobile phones, PDAs, digital signage, wearables, through a single management interface. And this is what we're going to see on the part of the demonstration. The second main capability is governing those content deliveries through workflows, synchronization between websites and staging, or between staging environments and live websites. IT can configure policies, workflows, and user permissions to ensure that not only do they enable marketeers to deliver brand consistency and better user experience, but also ensure they improve security and site integrity. Centrally managing multilingual content and multi-site experiences in a fast-paced environment, marketeers are challenged to quickly deliver content to international audiences through dedicated touchpoints. The ability to centrally manage the multiple websites, reuse, share, translate, and collaborate for content, publish the content across multiple locations through the headless capabilities using a single interface ensures timely content delivery and improved productivity. And finally, user-friendly, all of this is in a user-friendly manner. You create pages via drag and drop layout using landing pages, templates, form builders. All of this is translated to improve efficiency and time to market as well, as the people doing content creation are empowered to try new ideas, optimize experiences, and all of this comes without any additional help from the IT department. And to see that in action, there is a brief demonstration of content creation, page creation, multilingual and multi-site experiences that I'm about to perform. Bringing to the screen a live website that is running locally, in this case on my machine, but it's also public. You can find it on cori_lane.sitefinity.cloud. This is a fictitious website about about a restaurant franchise. And of course, the most important thing is where this is managed. This is the Sitefinity backend interface where we create all of the content behind the website, also the pages, news articles, blogs, events, and so on. So creating a page is a simple two-steps process. On the first one, we say the title and properties of the page. We give it we decide if we show it in the navigation, redirect to another page, and so on. On the second step, we select a template, which is the the one that we would like to use. It stores all of the content assets that are predefined for me, so that I don't have to know CSS, HTML, and so on. And I selected the wrong template, so I'm going to change it. This one. So that now you will see the header, the footer pre-populated for me, so I don't have to worry about following design best practices, following the persistence of the brand, and all of that that is stored in the template. What I care about is creating a intuitive page, and all of this is drag and drop available for me. Benefits of franchising, selecting an image so that I have a call to action button. I select a library from which I deliver the image. And that's pretty much it, what is expected from me. I can also create call to action buttons, linking either to a page within the website, like I'm doing with the Contact Us, or it could be completely external pages. I also can have a different template that is showing the banner in a specific way to populate the page further. I can also change the layout elements, again, using drag and drop functionality like this. And I can select, for example, several news articles. By doing that, I can also have a list how they are stored, how they are presented, and also maybe have a image gallery on the right, deciding how many images do we, or from a specific library again. It's going to be 6 images in this case. And to finish off the page, I would use a form on which people can contact our restaurant to submit a franchise application. Or not. We can also send for translation the page right away. And also we have the manual capabilities to do the translation. We can preview for mobile just to see how it is going to align. And Sitefinity is built with the Bootstrap framework. It is going to align items in a timely and proper manner on any device. We can schedule publish and unpublish for the page at a specific time slot, or directly publish it, and also do translations right away on the tip of our fingers here. Speaking of multi-channel and multilingual experiences, here I have we can copy the contents and widgets from selected, or start from scratch. And just to demonstrate what happens when we're copying from an external system, here, wherever Sitefinity finds a translated item, it's already published to the live environment. After, of course, I click publish. Whatever I need to translate more is left with a placeholder where I would need to actually translate it. So what did we see as part of the demonstration? Page creation, translating content, all of that happens in a couple of seconds with the simple clicks. I didn't have to know any technical skills. It didn't require technical skills for me to do it. And also delivering multilingual content. And if I would need to make it a multi-site and even in headless scenarios, deliver the page to multiple other satellite applications, and like we'll see on the next demonstration, deliver personalized content to those separate satellite applications. This is also possible, and I'm enabled to do that right away without, again, having to do anything on top of what the system brings out of the box. So what is the speaking of personalized customer experiences, with information overflow, delivering personalized experiences to visitors should be one of the cornerstone of any digital strategies. Challenges associated with delivering personalized content are often related to lack of visibility. You have no actionable analytics to see how your personalized content is performing. Another aspect or another challenges are the tools that are that marketeers are using are hard to integrate and manage. Learning curve and day-to-day productivity and efficiency is steep, and that decreases productivity and efficiency. Costs associated with running third-party software is something that is also a hurdle to overcome. So providing content and experience performance tracking, audience discovery and segmentation of that discovered audience, out-of-the-box personalization and analytics and segmentation based on all platforms data that is integrated in a central location is what Sitefinity provides out of the box of capabilities that enables marketeers to make informed decisions based on actionable analytics, leverage out-of-the-box capabilities to shape user journeys through discovery, segmentation, and personalization. Again, a brief demonstration of how this all comes together. And we're back to the website that we have. First of all, the digital command center for marketeers, where all of this is, where the tracking, the analytics, and the segmentation happens. So here I have open a visitor that is tracked by the system on how many interactions, when was their first interaction, when did they become a contact, and also leveraging the capabilities for audience segmentation, for persona discovery, and for persona identification. I have information about this contact in terms of in the lead scoring mechanism, where they are in the lead scoring, what is the similarity to the persona types that we have in the system, and even a time map of their entire journey. So everything that I need to know about this person is provided to me in a centralized location. And what is expected of me is to actually personalize the experience of those people. Maybe not this, we can if we want for a specific person, but of course more return on investment and more capabilities will be provided on a global level for personas, for many people that have the same interests and so on. So how do we do that? Again, coming back to the where everything is managed on the website, we go on the marketing tab of Sitefinity, focus on personalization, and we create a user segment that is seeing what franchisers from Portugal, for example. And we define a couple of user characteristics like geolocation, and say location is Portugal. We add it. We can also further that characteristic with a persona, and we have a franchisor persona. So all of the franchisor personas from Portugal would deliver a personal, or they will receive a personalized messaging from our website. So we create the user segment, we go back to pages, and let's actually change the English version of the page that we created, not the Portuguese one, just to be, and here not edit, but actually go and add a personalized version. We say franchisers from Portugal. We can change the image so that it's more visually obvious that the personalization is happening. So here, franchisers from Portugal see this messaging, while everybody else would see the one that we created when first publishing the page. And we also have a dedicated preview this page as option, which takes us to a personalization console that allows us to step into the shoes of everybody that is the purpose of our personalization, the people that we are personalizing for. So that saves a lot of time for the marketeers to see how their personalization looks like. And coming back to the Sitefinity Insight, they also have a personalization optimization page where they can track their personalization and how it is performing against their goals. So speaking about return on investment and having a KPI-driven marketing strategy is enabled by the Sitefinity Insight tool, which is giving them actionable analytics in terms of their personalization and how it is performing. So what did we see as part of the demonstration? Again, speaking about ease of use and user friendliness of the system, how Sitefinity enables marketeers to deliver personalized content, make this personalized content very fast and very easy without, again, having technical requirements or anything, any technical skills required from them. And also track the performance of those personalized messages and those personalization campaigns to prove key performance indicators and have a KPI-driven marketing strategy. In terms of achieving operational efficiency, Sitefinity helps businesses carry the business forward with Sitefinity Cloud, a platform as a service solution, or leveraging the same capabilities as a self-hosted solution. Also, building complex digital presences with high-performing experiences using .NET MVC and .NET Core, as we'll see in the latest developments of the system. Remove data silos and work with centralized locations, utilizing built-in connectors and flexible APIs to connect data, and also leverage continuous integration and deployment pipelines, site synchronization, automated upgrades, built-in security, and monitoring of any application. In terms of the digital commerce, Sitefinity allows you to unify content and commerce with partner integrations, run highly performant e-commerce website that is integrated with the back office systems to support unique business demands. Effortlessly manage multi-channel experiences for e-commerce. So the same way we saw on the demonstration how you can build multi-channel and multi-site experiences, Sitefinity enables that for e-commerce right away with the partner integrations and the Sitefinity built-in capabilities, and treat visitors with a personalized experiences and personalized search. So as again, something that we saw on the demonstration, how to deliver personalized content is available right away with for any e-commerce portals built on Sitefinity. What is new in the system? We just released Sitefinity 14. We even rebranded the platform to Sitefinity DX. So several very important additions. Seamless multi-channel experience. So what I was showing on the demonstration is actually taken one level higher. That allows personalization to be delivered on any channel. So personalized content for headless is something that was introduced with Sitefinity 14. You can personalize the experience of any front-end device, social, chat, and more. Simplified integration hub using low-code functionality, automate marketing operations by creating experiences that integrate the most critical systems and processes, gain endless opportunity to enrich your experience with expanded connectivity between systems, utilizing webhooks mechanisms and service hooks. This opens up a low-code integration and components framework for your existing technology stack. So Sitefinity will again expand the capabilities of integration of data. Scalable global content and campaign delivery is something that was introduced with the latest Sitefinity release. It allows marketeers to distribute content to more destinations rapidly with enhanced synchronization capabilities, and for any individual editor, improve content governance for multi-site experiences across any business department, location, unit, and brand with comprehensive multi-site user groups management as well. Support for the latest SEO requirements coming from Google, but not only. We provide a fast, engaging, and pleasant visitor experience that is SEO optimized, engaging, and allowing more conversions. You have a dedicated support for the latest Google page experience requirements, including the ability to use WebP images, adaptive image sizing for various browser lengths and heights, and also for mobile. And for UX and page performance best practices, we have new functionality that was delivered with Sitefinity 14. And maybe the most interesting part is an integrated chatbot-driven experiences. Sitefinity allows organization to easily embed an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot across their entire digital presence at the key interaction points. Simplifies the integration of and also maintenance with a drag and drop widget that is showing the chatbot or integrating the chatbot directly into Sitefinity, and creates additional channels. So one expanding or opening an additional channels to engage with customers and provide a differentiated experience to drive more visitors and positive outcomes for the business. The most important goal of the entire release was to create and execute marketing campaigns that are informed by interaction history with comprehensive touchpoint attribution, modeling, and also drive more conversions with increased ROI. Main use cases that Sitefinity excels in is horizontal portals, intranet and extranet, because I mentioned that digital is not only websites anymore. So any customer engagement initiative, headless multi-channel content delivery, and e-commerce are the key use cases where Sitefinity actually performs very well. That's why we're also performed by customers. We rank high based on actual user reviews. This is the most important aspect for us, that users like us, our customers, left numerous positive reviews on G2 Crowd, and we're a leader in the DXP market for G2. And that's it from me. Happy to discuss with you personalization and Sitefinity.